Imagine waking up tomorrow, and every dollar you own is quietly building an army that fights for your freedom. 6 forgotten Babylonian rules, older than your grandpa's grandpa, yet they still turn broke millennials into quiet millionaires. Rule 1, pay yourself first, because if you don't, the world will happily pay itself with your sweat. Think 10 coins hit your palm. Before the first coin is spent, 1 coin must vanish into your fortress. But wait, isn't every penny already mine? Not quite. Rent, taxes, subscriptions, they stand in line first. Picture your monthly salary as 30 days of life energy. If $1,000 goes to rent, 10 days of your life now belong to your landlord. Without the pay yourself first rule, you slave for everyone, except the person who matters most. I hear the panic. 10% feels impossible. Imagine your boss says, "We cut your pay by 10%, or you're fired." You'd grumble, but you'd adjust. Humans are rubber bands, we stretch. Start with 3%. The muscle grows, soon 5, then 10. Every saved coin is a new soldier in your army, marching, recruiting, capturing more soldiers. Spend the coin, and you just executed your own soldier. Here's the twist. I quit long-term compounding. Wait 40 years to enjoy life. I'd rather surf while my knees still bend. So I rerouted my 10% into skills, businesses, asymmetric bets. Rule 2, only take advice from the battle-scarred. The book's hero trusted foreign jewel traders because they sounded fancy. Result, shiny rocks worth less than gravel. My rule, if the expert's paycheck comes from selling me something, his tongue is rented. Ask the guru, do you eat your own cooking? If he doesn't own the fund he pushes, walk. The best deals never see a brochure. They're consumed in the kitchen before the waiter arrives. Fees, the termites of wealth. 1% sounds cute. But compound the carnage over 30 years, and you've lost a house. Rule 3, action manufactures luck. Procrastinators and doers both spot the same open door. One walks through, one waits for a better door. By the time the waiter complains about luck, the doer is already on dessert. Reading Think and Grow Rich without action is like buying a treadmill and watching it run. Even lottery dreams demand the action of buying the ticket. Rule 4, ignore the lump sum mirage. Windfalls are sugar rushes. No habits, no immunity, cash evaporates. Crash diets and crash wealth share the same ending, relapse. True wealth is a cash flow river, not a stagnant pond. Skills are the bicycle of riches, once learned, never unlearned. Strip a millionaire of everything, dump him in a desert. He'll sell sand and rebuy his castle. Rule 5, invest in your earning engine, not just your stock portfolio. School ends, learning doesn't. The learner's income curve bends, the TV watcher's flatlines. Every skill you stack is another oil well in your mind. Rule 6, when greed whispers, facts stop listening. Promised 30% returns? Run. The world's best investors pray for steady. 2-line takeaway, save 10%, send each dollar to recruit more dollars. And yes, the language feels ancient, like your granduncle reciting tablets. But ignore the messenger. The messages echo in modern mansions. Separate the clay tablet from the clay. Your next step, pick one rule, practice it for 30 days. Then come back, tell me which rule paid you first.